Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Jay. Let's ride, Florida boy.
Little ice fishing today.
Oh yeah, I tried some of that.
Little ice fishing. You gotta dig that hole out.
I tried some of that. I tried some of that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Living that I never need to stay, man. I just like. Come on, give me some of that now. Come on, give me some real estate now. Need some of that.
Hey, every week, same thing, man. Just shoot, man. Hey, man, let's have these animals out here, man. Attack, attack, attack.
He's got to get by. Wilson does.
Hey, DJ! Hey! Hang on, man! Hey, man, come on, man! Where we at? Where we going? Where we going?
Let him go.
Yeah, I tried to.
You did. I agree you did.
Boy, I called my dad. I said my dad in the morning. I said after step 3, he ain't gonna know what's coming at us. He ain't gonna have a clue what I'm gonna do to him next.
Stunt inside, he flushed and brought down Willie Young.
Woo! Hey, y'all boy, keep doing what you're doing. Square, staying square as much as you can is gonna be crucial. Keep playing ball. Let's ride all day.
And Bridgewater's out in front, blocks Porter, and here comes help. The violent hit from Pernell McPhee at the 20-yard line.
Here we go, 9-2. Put him to sleep. All that running around like you're a rabbit or something. You must not know where he's from. You must not know where he's from. This boy can't rabbit with the eyes closed. Let's go, let's go, let's go, D. Hey, you gonna make this? Oh, you that confident, huh? AP!
I'll be ready if he swings now. You gotta take it.
Here's the take and the handoff. Peterson swallowed up by Willie Young. Willie with a sack today as well.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, buddy. How are you
Miss
doing?
you, man. Playing well, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.